How to see your card number on TD Bank app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to see your card number on TD Bank app. For that, first thing you have to make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Then go ahead and log in into your TD Bank account by entering your credential. That includes entering your username and then a password. Once you're done with that procedure, it's going to take you to the home page, and on this page go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the top right of your screen. And as you do that, next page it's going to show you list of options. So under it, go ahead and select manage. Unfortunately, you'll not be able to see your card number on TD Bank app. You'll only be able to see the 4 digit of your card due to some security concern. But then if you've lost your card or if you wish to replace it, then you can find the option right under it and you can just reach out or submit the statement, and that should be able to fix the issue. Apart from it, if this method is not working out, then you can directly contact the support team, state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter or they'll provide you with the card number. In this way, you can see your card number on TD Bank app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.